Utilities have dealt with vegetation management for decades. The primary focus has been on the transmission bulk electric system due to national reliability regulations. But there is an increased focus on vegetation management for the distribution system due to enhanced attention to power outages and sustainability practices. The challenge is that overhead line miles of distribution systems can be 7 to 10 times greater than transmission systems. Tree-induced outages can take longer to restore and produce greater impact to day-to-day customer reliability metrics. The cost of tree trimming consumes the already constrained operations and maintenance budgets. More lines to trim means greater safety risk for the people in the field, and more demand for the people from a workforce that is already in short supply. We need to be focused and good stewards of our limited resources. As a result, a multidisciplinary team of engineers, scientists, and data experts was put together. This team flew over CPS Energy's service territory, collected three-dimensional point clouds known as LiDAR, classified point clouds based on their type of object, such as vegetation, conductors, buildings, roads, among others. With this information, we can now determine risk of vegetation for each segment of overhead power lines. However, not all risk of vegetation is considered equal. The risk of vegetation must account for how many customers are exposed by each segment of power line. All of these factors are combined to determine overall risk. This allows us to rank and prioritize tree trimming segments and circuits of our service territory. We are now ready to quantify and design a tree trimming program that is risk-based and optimized for our budget. We can calculate trimming costs based on trimming miles that we choose to de-risk. Simply select the overall risk tolerance and a new program cost is automatically calculated. Once our field crews get targeted locations to trim trees, we also have an opportunity in the tool itself to quickly identify the tickets that have been generated as a result of customer calls identifying potential vegetation issues. This allows us to contact our customers with deliberate, valuable, and practical justification to perform the work and close those tickets simultaneously. The creation of this tool was done following agile practices. It provided growth opportunities for the people involved and knowledge gain on data and business processes that has strengthened our people and our culture while reducing outages and improving our customer communications. Thank you.